G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Continuation on this big job here at Emerald Lakes. We've got a special visitor on site yesterday and today. We've got Matt from Hose Building and Gutter Cleaning at Toowoomba. He's down here for a couple of days working alongside of us. Matt's just picked up a brand new rig from Pulse Power Toowoomba. And this is an awesome little rig. We put it through its paces yesterday and we'll go through it again today. It comes set up with a Honda GX690. 20.8 litre a minute pump on there. Obviously you've got your hose reel here, your water feed. This also comes with the soft start, so it takes off the load when we're pulling the trigger. You've got the 200 litre buffer tank with the low water switch cut off in there. Nice tidy unit, comes in really well. Look at the footprint here, got a fire extinguisher on there. Your insurance company will love you for that. Around the front here on the trailer. A few starters here in the kit that Pulse Power's hooked up, Matt. We've got, this is what we're actually using on this job here with all this building washing. We're using the Sprintjett surfactant soap. We're using a HDC cleaner. And obviously we're also using a fragrance in there. But with this toolbox, got enough around there for your guns, your fittings, your connections. As we know, there's always more to come as you grow in a business. But this is a fantastic little rig. Drops down there, lockable trailer, got a spare tyre on there. It's even got a bloody mag wheel. That's a flash run, they call that. But yeah, so if you need something like that, yeah, give Pulse Power a call, and look forward to more videos of Matt from Toowoomba in the near future. Thank you for watching.